Good morning, I'm Stuart, and this is the Bin Cleaner Pressure Washing Services, episode 10. Morning. It's a Wednesday morning. Nice and sunny today, thank God, because we've got a big block paved driveway to do. Just had my breakfast, got half of it stuck in between my teeth. Excuse me. So do you want to go and have a look, see what we've got? Come on then, I'll take you for a walk. Right, let's go and have a look at this driveway. Block paving, here we go. Probably got this wall to do as well. There we are. You can see usual places where the cars have been parked. One there, one there. Put it on a bit wider. That's better. And the back. Excuse me, tripping over my own feet. It's like I've got my dad's boots on. Round here. Into this space, which is flagged. Apparently that's a bit of a water trap, but we'll sort that. Yeah, not been done for a while. Get these looking nice and bright. We need some colour back in that lot, don't we? Ooh, bit of a breeze. Looks a lot nicer out at window, let's put it that way. So we get some more sunshine. It's there, it's trying, it's trying. Few weeds to tackle, not much. Should be a good one, this. So, without further ado, let's get stuck in. Crack on.
The feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. The festival that we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd. And now I can't imagine me with anybody else, as we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August.
Right, bit of a change of plan. I was going to flat surface cleaner everything, but I think we're going to get better results if we use the turbo lance on the block paving. So, I'm going to flat surface cleaner these flags at the back. Turbo lance the rest of it. Crack on.
As long as it's with you. As long as it's with you. ground next year will be closed. I will wait as long as it's for you.
You try hard to find the answer when no one knows how it feels between disasters. It comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. We'll never know. It's weighing me down, got my feet on the ground. Let's hide away from the lies and run away from the night. Let's run away.
Yeah, we've got to walk the track. Look at this. I'm gonna have to wait for that to disappear. I can rinse it down. A bit over there as well. They look better. So I've got to put some magic sauce on this yet. Anyway. Should I do it with a flat surface cleaner? What do you think? Yeah, we'll give it a go. Let's just do this bit, see how it turns out.
It's weighing me down, got my feet on the ground. Let's hide away from the lies and run away from the night. Let's run away.
That's a bit of a difference. Have a look. Oh. There we go. I think we'll crack on with that surface cleaner. Then I can go over it with a turbo just to get any weeds out later. Backwards and forwards again. Must get myself some different fittings. What I'll do is get it up to the end of the house there, rinse it all down again and crack on. Customers here. So I'll show you something there. Something you don't see very often. It's halfway through the job. Let's have a look. There we go. Just in case you didn't think it looked much different. got that to do now. Just that area. And we'll wait for it to dry. Like this bit up here. And then we can get it all resanded. Brightening up round the back there. We give that a rinse down, because that's come off here. Yeah, coming on nice. Right, let's get you back on that tripod. Thank you very much, appreciate that. Quick rinse down. Fences. Fence panels and walls. I mean, after all, got to be done, hasn't it?
A few minutes later.
Right, I'm back. Had a bite to eat and a brew. Popped home, see the missus. Got myself some sand. Oh my god, got some bags of sand for resanding this. And he says to me, look out, because they're perforated for some reason. I said, well, they're always a bit perforated, aren't they, for help you open them? He says, no, these are perforated. So, he says, quite a bit coming out. Anyway, I normally put them on my front seat, just while I get to the job. You got to see this, if I've been to Fuerteventura. Look at that! Perforated. More sand than Gandhi's flip-flop. Let's get this sanded. Back to work. Crack on. Get it looking like brand new. Yeah. See you in a bit, guys.
Several song-filled hours later.
Right. Here we go. Finished. Resanded. Customer's happy. Have a walk up here. There we go. Nice and bright now with sun shining on. When that dries, the customer's going to sweep it up, sweep it away. Nothing I can do. Be here all day. There. That looks better, doesn't it? They were black there. Good. Shame it's in shade, you can't get full effect. Bit there in the sun. Yeah. Nice. Like brand new. Customers cleaning windows for me. I normally have a go myself, but I'm not a window cleaner. I'm going to buy myself a cheap kit actually, it does help. Oh, we did that wall as well. Yeah, that's turned out not too bad. See the difference now? I wasn't putting any bleach on there because it's too close to plants. Good stuff. Don't forget, guys, if you like what you've seen today, press the like button down below. While you're there, push the subscribe button as well. If you don't mind, then you won't miss any of our other videos that's coming up. Good stuff. So with that said, another day for me done. And until the next one, arrivederci.